Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right brush and immediately loading it correctly so strokes flow. Dip only 1/3 to 1/2 in paint. This prevents drips and keeps bristles flexible. Hold the brush at a 30 to 45 degree angle and rest your wrist to control motion. Once done, begin with long, even strokes away from the cut edge to lay a base. Make sure to feather the first pass to avoid ridges. This creates a smooth surface for the next steps. You continue by focusing on consistent coverage and blending. Work in 3 to 4 foot sections and keep a wet edge so lap marks disappear. That wet edge is your merging zone. Apply long continuous strokes, overlapping the previous stroke by 30 to 50% so paint levels out evenly. Once done, reduce pressure as you finish each stroke to feather the edge. This helps hide brush lines. Make sure to reload only when the brush starts to drag. You finish by evening out texture and preparing cleanup. Inspect the surface while paint is still wet and use light, soft strokes to smooth any high spots or drips. This prevents hard-to-fix ridges later. Once the coat looks uniform, clean the brush thoroughly and store it upright or wrap to keep bristles in shape. If brush marks appear after drying, don't panic. Sand lightly, remove dust, and reapply a thin coat. This corrects texture and restores an even finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.